Welcome to Pals Fundamentals on YouTube. We bring you brief Faroes news reports.
Impartial Faroes news reports.
Right.
That's us.
Yeah. And so today we're focusing on the last 3 days in Faroes politics and general news.
Yeah, and the weather.
Of course, finishing up with the weather. And the sources are linked below.
Always.
Always. Okay, so let's jump right into politics.
Okay.
I think the biggest news this week is this whole proposed increase in the retirement age.
Yeah, that's causing a lot of debate.
It is.
A lot of back and forth, lots of protests from labor unions.
Yeah.
They're saying that it's unfair to people who work physically demanding jobs.
Right. And then, of course, there's also the discussion surrounding government funds.
Oh, right. The Illegengargrunnen.
Yes, the Illegengargrunnen,
Yeah.
the National Investment Fund,
Yeah.
and the potential use of that to cover future pension liabilities.
Yeah. It's controversial for sure.
Yeah. And I think there's also some concern about whether this will,
Could have a negative impact.
could have a negative impact on long-term economic stability.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so moving on. The Sambands flokkurin, or the Union Party,
Right.
is getting ready for their national meeting.
They are. It's a big one,
It is a big one.
especially this year.
Yeah. And it seems like a crucial time for the party as they kind of figure out how to...
Address some of
fun-
those internal divisions.
Yeah.
And get their platform solidified for elections,
Exactly.
which are coming up.
Yeah. Oh, and then there's all this controversy about the former government minister and their pension benefits.
Yeah, quite generous, huh?
Yeah. It's kind of reignited this debate about...
Whether it's fair,
Yeah.
the pension system.
Is it equitable?
Yeah, do we need revisions?
Right. Exactly.
Is it time to take another look?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so let's move on from politics
Yep.
to general news. The Faroes economy, well,
It's looking good.
yeah, it seems to be doing very well
The trade balance shows a surplus,
for the 9th year in a row.
9th year in a row.
That's pretty impressive.
It is. A lot of people are pointing to the fishing industry and the increase in exports as a sign of strength.
Right. And this economic growth, I mean, you really see it in the construction industry, too.
man, yeah.
Yeah, booming. Lots of projects going on,
Yeah.
including that,
Suartunnelin Tunnel, right?
the Suðuroyartunnelin
Oh,
tunnel.
that's a big one.
huge.
Huge.
Yeah.
It's expected to really improve transportation
Yeah.
and boost the economy of Suðuroy.
Especially Suðuroy.
But, there are concerns
Of course.
about the environmental impact and the costs.
It's always a balance, right?
It is. What price progress,
Right, yeah. But even with all this economic progress, it seems like social issues are still,
A big focus.
yeah. Integrating immigrants has become a really important topic.
It has. And there are a lot of organizations and government initiatives, trying to promote inclusion.
And I think the goal is to ensure that,
Immigrants have the same opportunities.
right, the same opportunities as Faroe citizens.
Yeah. And then workplace inclusion.
Yeah. Especially in Suðuroy,
Right, right.
another area of focus. Trying to create a more diverse and equitable workforce.
Exactly. Okay, let's shift gears a little bit.
All
Let's
right.
talk about arts and culture.
Sounds good.
Eli Towson Alava.
Oh, yeah, the musician.
Yeah, he released a new track.
Yeah, it's getting a lot of attention.
It is. He's
Really unique
yeah.
blend of folk and electronic music,
I think he's known for pushing those creative boundaries.
for sure.
Yeah. And then the Ovasavni Museum in Nolsoy.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah. They're getting so much support from the community.
Through donations.
Yeah, through donations, which I think really shows how important it is to
Preserve Faroe's heritage.
yeah, that cultural heritage. And just a reminder, the Ovasavni Museum that has all those artifacts and documents related to the history of
That's what I said.
and the people there.
Yeah. And speaking of exciting events,
Oh, yeah,
the Summer Festival announced their lineup.
they did.
Yeah.
Big names.
Yeah, mix of popular Faroes and international acts.
Something for everyone.
Yeah. Should be a good time. Okay, so,
What about the weather?
yeah, let's talk about the weather. Looks like the Faroe Islands.
March weather.
Classic March weather.
Classic. Yeah.
So that means
Wind, clouds, some showers.
usual.
Yep. Temperatures are mild, though.
Okay, so
3 to 8 degrees Celsius.
not too bad. And for the weekend.
Looks calmer.
Yeah.
Yeah. High pressure's moving in, so that means lighter winds, drier weather.
So if you want to get outside,
This weekend's the time.
that sounds good to me. So let's break down that weekend forecast a little bit.
Okay, yeah.
Today we've got light winds from the west and northwest.
Shifting to a fresh breeze from the southeast later.
Okay.
Mostly cloudy.
Yeah.
with some sunny spells, and it should stay dry.
All right. How about temperatures?
Mild, ranging from -1 to +8 degrees Celsius.
Okay, so tomorrow.
Fresh breeze from the west,
Okay.
becoming lighter as the day goes on. Cloudy skies again, sunny breaks,
Okay.
mostly dry,
Temperatures.
+4 to +8 degrees Celsius.
It's not bad. Not bad. And Sunday.
It's Sunday. All right, Sunday looks like light winds
Okay.
from various directions, mostly cloudy but with sunny periods.
Oh, nice.
Slight chance of showers,
You okay?
but overall dry,
Temperatures.
between +3 and +7 degrees Celsius.
Sounds like a good day to get outside.
If you're looking for a nice day,
Nice.
Sunday looks good.
All right, so there you have it.
Yep.
That's the latest in Faroe's politics and news.
All wrapped up.
And weather.
Remember, this report is generated by AI
Right.
using
right.
publicly available sources.
So if you want to go deeper,
Check out the links below.
yeah, we always link our sources.
Always.
All right, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for listening.